A warm welcome to one and all. Myself, Dr. Ramesh Raghuvaran, working as Assistant Professor in Center for Science in Society, Cochin University of Science and Technology. I am so grateful to Sri Kumar Raja, Secretary Choir Board, and Sri A. Radhakrishnan, Assistant Director, NCTDC Choir Board for such an opportunity to deliver a talk on choir and its importance as an eco-friendly product. Dear students, you are here to acquire knowledge about one of the very important and biggest small scale industry in the country. You are going to become a part of it. You must proud of that because you are going to work with the needful group in the society and give them the solution for their problems. But before you start your work in the choir industry, it is mandatory to know its environmental importance and how much it is helpful the green giving. We have heard that coir is a natural fiber. Why is it so? Yeah, it is derived or originated from natural source such as coconut. Then what is synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber are those which are man-made. What is the difference between natural and synthetic fiber? Just as I mentioned above, its difference in origin, there are changes in their uses too. Synthetic fibers are not eco-friendly because it will not undergo natural biodegradation in normal environmental conditions. Also, it causes allergic reactions when it contact with our body. But natural fibers are eco-friendly. It undergo biodegradation in natural conditions and cause no adverse effect. You already have heard about the burning environmental issues that we are facing in this century. Global warming is the most threatening issue among them, which deteriorates our normal life on this earth, and coir is one of the best solutions. You may be thinking how coir could be an answer for global warming. What is global warming? It is the ongoing rise of the average temperature of the earth. It is a major aspect of climate change, which in addition to rising global surface temperatures also includes its effects such as changes in precipitation. The use of synthetic material triggers the atmospheric temperature by not allowing the sunlight coming to Earth's surface to reflect back. It causes on trapping of solar radiation on Earth's surface and causes greenhouse effect, which is ultimately leads to global warming. But use of natural products including coir revert global warming by minimizing greenhouse effect. Coir fiber is one of the important natural fiber due to its diversified uses and its comparatively hard nature. In the present scenario of global warming and emission of greenhouse gases, the importance of eco-friendly products like coir is getting increased. Eco-friendly or earth-friendly products are those which contribute to the green living or practices that help conserve natural resources. It prevents the contribution to air, water and land pollution. Use of such products ensure the quality of life as well as of nature since they do not deplete the ecosystem. These include the biodegradable products which will break down through natural decomposition and thus contribute to a greener world. It ensures less taxing on landfills. Eco-friendly products can be made from scratch or from recycled material. Along with the eco-friendly benefits, there have also personal benefits that coincide with using natural products. For example, plastic are known to have BPA, lead and other harmful chemicals that can cause many different illnesses and diseases in both children and adults. Eco-friendly products ensure safety from all dangerous chemicals and allows to avoid risky additives. We know coir has a broad spectrum of products which influences the life of almost all people. Now, I would like to discuss some information about the uses of coir fiber and coir pit, which can replace the use of synthetic products which adversely affects the environment. First one is coir pit organic manure, second coco lawn, and finally vertical garden with coir and coir products. Coir pit organic manure. The conversion of coir pit into organic manure is done to enhance its nutrient content. The lignin and cellulose content in coir pit usually does not break down atmosphere. It has been found that some fungi in Pleurotus species possess the ability to degrade these components. The spores of these organisms were developed in CCRI and was inoculated to coir pit along with enough water showed definite reduction in lignin and cellulose content with an increase in total nitrogen and other nutrients after a period of 30 days. By using 5 packets of mushroom spawn, we can convert 1 ton of coir pit into organic manure. Coir pit poultry manure. Poultry farming is a full-fledged business in Kerala. In these farms, coir pit is evenly spread on the floor to get mixed with the fecal matter of birds. Since the availability and absorption capacity of coir pit is more than any other substrate, it is widely used in poultry farms. Thus, this could be used as poultry manure. Coir pit finds its application both as manure and a substrate potent enough for the retention of water. Coir vertical garden. It is a garden that grows upwards using a trellis or other support system rather than on the ground. Anything grown on a trellis or even on a fence is technically part of a vertical garden. More recently, vertical gardens can also be used to grow flowers and even vegetables. Vertical garden is found to be very much suitable in places with a very less area for plant growth. It is a form of vegetated wall surface. The vertical garden made from coir flowers pots in which coir pit organic manure is used is of great demand. A sustainable use of land and water resources with a 100% soil-less agricultural method. This method is advantageous to the beneficiaries. Indoor plants such as money plant, Syngonia, etc. could be grown by this method. Then coming to coco lawn. Lawns are not only of aesthetic value but also helpful in envelope the ambience. Coco lawn is a lush green lawn of grass made of coir products, namely coir geotextiles, coir fiber, coir pit and coir pit organic manure. It is easy to shift the material from one place to another and can be rolled as a mat. Rather than continuing the 3R method of reduce, reuse and recycle, the best way to address plastic pollution is to change our mindset and habit by increasing awareness to use eco-friendly products such as coir. Each person is contributing to the safety and preservation of the resources provided from the planet by the use of eco-friendly products. In order to conserve the beauty, resources, inhabitability of our planet, it is important that our everyday decisions positively affect our planet. That is where eco-friendly products like coir come in. They provide the consumers to choose responsibilities over frivolity. So let me conclude. Dear students, please try to learn about coir extensively and please don't limit your research to make new innovative products with coir. It has such immense potential to explore. Yes, we can start a new way of living. We teach others the same, living in harmony with nature. Thank you very much for hearing me. Have a good time. Thank you.